Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Made this little test bed, and the idea behind this is that you can use this to transition to ATI mode or whatever it is that you want to be doing without the fear of damaging your fuselage. So it's just a few parts, basically a base plate, a landing gear, a boom and a mount. Now it weighs the same as a Bell 206 fuselage, so the flight characteristics should be identical. Any battery will fit. Got my little 2200 on here, so I've moved that forward, but there's plenty space. Even the stock battery would sit further back, and the CG is pretty spot on. Just to see that, you know, if you want to fiddle or you don't have a fuselage lying around, you can just use this. It's very strong, very rigid. Got a brace on top here. Over there it's got these struts here just to stop it flopping about. It's very stiff, or as stiff as it needs to be. So yeah, let's go fly. Got my little battery voltage just hanging on the side here. I don't want to bring it too close to the GPS, so you might put that there or whatever it is. But yeah, as usual, I'm going to fly in ATI mode because it's a very small area, so I want to be in control. So I have that here, ATI. Let's give it a go. So there's GPS. Even with all this metal here, I've got my finger on the ATI button just in case it decides to go sideways. So let's go to ATI. Got it there. Just a little test bed. Let's try GPS again. Not the ideal circumstances or situation. Back to ATI.